for a storm. Very public. Let's see what happens, but so, and as you see, I'll go west coast is here in Gus. Here in Gus. Keep on Florida. I live in Florida, so it has a choice of trouble weather. Where I could keep on that, but it become a trouble storm. So that might have showers or thunderstorms, and probably thunder showers. And I will go here. You might have severe storms or some spots of severe or some thunderstorms. And go back to Florida. Keep on that because if you couple before on the ocean or Florida. We'll see. And keep on that too. So yeah. This is something I could watch. And this is something I could watch. So I go to the United States and probably have severe storms or thunder showers and probably tornadoes. Just not sure what happens. And you're looking on the forecast, it's here and Gus. Okay, it's not raining, it's here and Gus. And Florida a little bit. And I look at United States, so they have showers or thunderstorms. Or Mexico, they have showers or thunderstorms. And I look down here. I go back to Florida, but it's something I could watch. So, yeah. So you might have something. So you might have something I could watch in Florida, right there. You see Florida right now? This is something that might be formed. So you're keeping that. So wait and see. We'll see what happens. So